I've gone over 470 plus days cumulatively on NoFap. It even cured my corn-induced ED. And I've seen all the claims about NoFap and attracting women and all of the lies that have been told to you. So in today's video, we are going to be exposing the brutal truth about the lies that they have told you about NoFap and just attracting women. Number one, you're the same person on day one. Right, there's this idea that once you retain, right, all these things that you're gonna have a bunch of female attention, right, and it's complete garbage. And you're the exact same person, right? So from day 1 to day 100, sure, your habits may change, but you think you're in the same skin, and a lot of times you may even look the same, but you technically, right, you have these different habits, but you have to remember there is no magic switch that people can just see on the outside that you're different, right? There is no invisible aura, right? There's no additional aura that you have that you're walking around. It's just not a thing, right? But people love to throw these buzzwords out there that everything is going to change. But really what you have to look at, right, is your behavior, right? Your habits, your situation, right? All of those things. But the physical person of who you are is exactly the same. And a lot of times if people look at you on the outside, don't get me wrong, you might have hit the gym, right? Maybe you lost some weight, things like that. Maybe you got in better shape. But technically, you are the same exact person. So remember that. Now, number two, energy redirected equals better habits, right? So when you stop wasting time, right, and you invest it into other areas, right, you're focusing on the things you're supposed to, right? You're working out, you're improving your social skills. All of these things, right? People technically do notice, right? If someone loses 20 pounds, 30 pounds, yes, there's a difference on the outside, but you can't tell me, and it's just a complete lie, that NoFap was the thing that exactly did it for you. Now, it gave you the time, energy, and attention, and maybe some motivation to go do the thing, go do the work. But remember, right, it's a tool, right? So when we talk about those three different things, right, the time, energy, and attention necessary to achieve any goal, right, you need those three things in the formula. If you don't have them, you're not going to even stand a chance. And of course, if you have any type of bad habit or addiction, what happens is it makes it even that much harder to achieve the goal. So in this case, when we give you those three things back, you get into better shape. Yes, people on the outside will see a difference, but you are the same person. Remember, your habits changed, so technically you changed, but this is a cause, right? You have a bunch of different things that are doing cause and effect. So you got the energy and the motivation back, and then you decided to put in the work necessary to become, the man and reach that potential that you've always wanted to, right? So it's really the improved lifestyle that you have and not NoFap itself. Now, number three, confidence comes from progress. When you finally kept the promises that you made to yourself, right, about, being on point, right, not relapsing all the time, just stand on point with your skills and becoming the type of person you really want to be. What happens is your confidence starts to rise, right? You can kind of carry yourself, how you carry yourself changes because you start to look at yourself differently, right? A lot of times people have this negative view of themselves. They look at themselves as, lesser than because they've been lying to themselves for so long, right? They said that they were going to give this bad habit up a long time ago, yesterday, a week, a month, years ago, and still nothing changes, right? And that just mentally defeats you, right? It makes it hard to really stand up as a man because you look at these other things and you see that you're just not a man of your word, right? And really, female attention and women respond to confidence, right? Not 60 days on NoFap, right? So there's a clear distinction there, right? But it's about how you carry yourself, how you speak, how you act, right? And this is for sure, right, can be something that people see when they go on this journey. Now, NoFap doesn't magically attract women, but when you build the confidence, right, you fix your dysfunctions, right, you stop relapsing and you put your time, energy, and attention to what matters to you. Maybe that's building relationships, right, getting fit in the gym. That's when things really start to change. And if you want to be walked through by somebody who went over 470 plus days, got in shape, right, cured the corn induced ED, all of these things, click the link down below in the description and in the comment section to unlock and really reach your full potential, see what you're missing out on. Now, number 4, and this is something I learned right away. So I remember when I got to a point to where I felt pretty solid. I was like, okay, I don't think this is the biggest problem for me anymore. And I got to a point to where I'm like, all right, I feel pretty in control. If things go haywire, I have the tools necessary to fix the problem, which is a great feeling I would want anyone to get to. But what I noticed was that there was a clear distinction. And the distinction was, sure, I got rid of one problem, but I faced a brand new problem. And that was attracting partners. Now, there is no magic that's just going to happen once you quit, right? But it did allow me to, right, really learn about, grooming and, looks maxing and just attraction in general, how to attract, a partner, right? What are things that I need to improve, right, as a man to attract the type of partner that I want to improve, right? And then you even have dating, right? You have all of these different complex things in dating, right? Just meeting people, even going out on dates, getting people not to flake. All of these things that I had to go through and learn, because it's almost like a pipeline, right? Where at the start, what you need to learn is, okay, the biggest problem is you have terrible habits that you wouldn't even be able to get in a relationship, right? So you solve those problems. Now the next step would be, okay, now we need to look at and see, how can I become the most attractive version of myself, and how can I attract the type of quality of partner that I want to attract in my life, right? So those are all different things, and the problems never end. They are just different problems for sure. Of course, because even if you do get into a relationship, right, or there's someone you're seeing or dating, right, there are always problems that are going to be there, right? So don't think that this one problem necessarily will solve everything, but it for sure can solve some of those relationship problems. It can assist you and be a tool in your toolkit to get in shape, right? To have those good habits, right? To achieve the type of money that you want to make. But there's definitely a huge lie that people put out there that this will change everything overnight, which is complete cap. Now, number 5, social effort replaces avoidance, right? So a lot of times as well, people, what they would do is you would kind of avoid those social situations. You really wouldn't have the energy or the motivation to maybe go to a dance class, right? Or just go to these different places where, you might be around women, social events. It could be parties. To each is their own, right? But a lot of times you just wouldn't have the energy for it. But what you'll notice is, when you're on a streak, right? When you have these good habits in place, when you're on NoFap, all these things, people start to notice, and technically, right, once you do actually change your habits, right, so you don't only just go on NoFap, but then you start being more social, right, people do start to notice a difference. And it's really those actions that you're taking. It's not NoFap in and of itself, right? A lot of times maybe you hid in your room, you're playing video games, junk food, all these things. But remember, you're making a huge change and continuing to work on yourself, which that can make all the difference in giving you back the energy, attention, and time necessary to achieve your goals. Number 6. Attraction is earned, not granted. And I kind of hinted at it before, but you have to put in the work necessary to become that best version of you, right? And just because you have money, or you've gone 400 plus days on NoFap, all those things, it's not necessarily going to be the end all be all, right? There's how you look, right? Your confidence, how your speaking skills, all of these things are things that go into how basically you present yourself as a man. And these are other areas that you're going to have to work on. And you'll notice that in order to get that partner and what you want in life, this is going to be part of it for sure, right? So really, people in general are drawn to those who have goals, right? Discipline, direction, man of your word, and of course a partner would as well. So NoFap really removes the distraction so that you can build on those things. right? So it's really all about the growth. And as someone who has seen that change in my own life, and really it took me years to get to that point to where I felt comfortable and had the tools necessary to solve the problem, right? Solve the corn induced ED. All of these things that really felt like for me held me back for such a long time. It was that cycle over and over where I would tell, myself, all right, yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna get better, right? All these things. And a lot of times what happened for me is I was stuck. And I know a lot of you feel that same way, to where you're so stuck in the same place over and over again, and you just need some guidance, someone that has been there, been in that position that you want to be in, and has seen the other side, and who can really walk you through step by step and give you the exact steps that you need, so you don't have to go through years of trial and error like I did. Well, if you're interested, click the link in the description below and click this video on the screen if you'd like to learn more about this topic.